Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Klaviyo account. So first go to klaviyo.com and log into your account. Alright, so we are on our dashboard. On the left side you can see your organization name. Click on there. Click on billings, and over here you can see the option to close your account. Click on there, and you have to fill in some information such as the reason that you want to delete the account. And now you have last chance to export, and you can click continue to delete the account. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.